Hi, with math is easy with Ala. Today we will continue with integral involving power of trigonometric functions. Example for the antiderivative of sine x to the power 4 x. How can we do that? We will do it by this way. Now we know that a to the power 4 equal a squared times a squared, or a squared squared. So I will put here sine x squared dx. Now, instead of sine squared x, I will put 1 over 2, 1 minus cosine 2x. So it will be the integral of 1 over 2, 1 minus cosine 2x all squared dx. Now we know that a squared, or sorry, a minus b squared equal a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now this is a and this is b, so it will be the antiderivative of 1 over 2 squared, it will be 1 over 4. Now 1 minus cosine 2x squared, it will be 1 squared, it will be 1 minus 2 times a times b, it means 2 times 1 times cosine 2x, it will be 2 cosine 2x plus cosine 2x squared b squared, it will be cosine 2x squared dx. We know the antiderivative of 1 and the antiderivative of cosine 2x, but we have problem here to solve cosine or to find the antiderivative of cosine squared 2x. So we will return to the same identity. Cosine squared 2x equal 1 over 2, 1 plus cosine, double the angle, it will be 4x. So what we will do, we will put 1 over 4 outside, and here 1 minus 2 cosine 2x. Here I can do it like this, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine 4x. So I will put here 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine 4x dx. Cosine. Now 1 over 4 antiderivative. Now we have two constants, 1 and 1 over 2. Add them, it will be 3 over 2 minus 2 cosine 2x plus 1 over 2 cosine 4x. 1 over 2 cosine 4x, yes, dx. Okay. Now it will be 1 over 4 times the antiderivative of 3 over 2 is 3 over 2x minus antiderivative of 2 cosine 2x, it will be 2 sine 2x over 2 plus 1 over 2 times the antiderivative of cosine 4x, it will be sine 4x over 4, all close the brackets, plus the constant, sorry. Now times 1 over 4 times 3 over 2, it will be 3 over 8x minus, simplify 2 with 2, it will be 1 over 4 sine 2x. Now 1 over 4 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 8. 1 over 8 times 1 over 4, it will be 1 over 32 sine 4x plus the constant c. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel. See you in other example.